You guys, it is that time yet again. Time for another Drunk Elephant unboxing. I literally have no idea what this is. I haven't been checking social media as of yesterday, like ever since I got this, because I want it to be a surprise. All I know is that a few months ago, a Drunk Elephant reached out to me and they were like, hey, send us your size, like what size are you, but also make sure that's gonna be a baggy fit. So I'm pretty sure I picked medium. I don't know if this is related to that, but if I had to guess, it probably is. So clothing, who knows? Oh, here we go again. Let's rip this off. You guys know I hate ripping these off. Like, I just don't like destroying stickers. Okay, well, so much for that. This is totally getting ruined. Oh well. Wow, okay. Meet the new Lala now with Ceramides. Oh, I do know about this. They definitely posted about this like a few weeks back. So it says, hi, I'd like you to meet the new Lala now with barrier supportive Ceramides. It's Lala, but better. So I'll just leave this up for a sec. If you guys want to pause the video and read the rest, feel free. But let's go on to the rest. Ooh, what is this? Okay, so we've got this really cute bag. There is a zip at the top. Let's open this up. Oh my god, there's sleeping stuff. There's a mask, like a sleep mask. Super cute. It's very soft and like silky. Oh yeah, I could use this for a sound bath. And then, oh my god, are these pajamas? If these are pajamas, I'm gonna be so excited. Okay, first of all, look at the embroidery. Wow, I think it is. Look at the embroidery. There's the Drunk Elephant logo on this front pocket. It's like this collared situation. I'm pretty sure this is a sleep shirt. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I wish I could show you the whole thing, but you know, with this framing, it's really difficult right now. Maybe I'll do like a little try on section and show you guys what this looks like. But I'm very excited. It is so soft. Okay, let's see what else. And of course, we have got Lala Retro with Ceramides, the new and improved version. Super excited to be using this. So I actually use Lala Retro at night. Let me know if you guys use this, like comment down below. And also, how do you guys use this? I really like mixing this with the Marula Oil. I'll like add a few drops, or on nights that I'm using a T.L.C. Framboos. Sometimes I'll also just layer this on top with Marula Oil just to give my skin some extra nourishment. All right, let's see. I'm pretty sure that is it. But let's just make sure, because sometimes in these boxes, like there's something at the bottom and I'll always miss it. Nope, that is it. Super cute, so excited to be using these. Thank you so much to Drunk Elephant. Now let's go try on this shirt, shall we? It actually is a medium. I checked the tag like on the inside. 100% Egyptian cotton, medium. So, not gonna lie, I do feel like a dentist or a doctor in this. But it's okay, it's okay. I'm a cute one. And hopefully if I button this up, it'll look better, but let's see. Ta-da! Honestly, it's very soft and comfy. Like, I feel like I'm basically wearing a bed sheet. It's great. What do you guys think? Oh, also here's the bag. So here is my current Lala. I've been using a mini version, and then we have the full size right here, and I just want to compare the texture and see if there's like a difference. So here is the one I have. I'm just going to take a little bit onto the back of my hand. And then let's go ahead and pump this one out. Oh, it's so pretty. Look, it made like a little flower. So cute. Oh wow, okay, so this one is actually a lot smoother than the previous formulation. This one is definitely thicker, like you have to take more time to like blend it out. It just, you know, it's thicker. This one spreads out so easily, like it's more comparable to Protini now, in my opinion. Interesting. You know, I'm actually really excited that they came out with this because I was really hoping that they would introduce a more moisturizing, hydrating moisturizer that could be used with retinol. When I was using retinol, I just felt like Lala was not hydrating enough. So I'm very excited that they added ceramides, because that's going to help the moisturizer become more hydrating. It's going to help to plump your skin and just make it feel more firm. So that is it for today's Drunk Elephant unboxing. Drop a comment down below letting me know if you have tried the new Lala Retro, or if you've just tried like the old one and if you like it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!